Hi, welcome to the video that will teach you how to make an appointment at the University of Baltimore. Using this video, you can make an appointment with the Writing Center, the Math and Statistics Center, tutoring and coaching, and you can also reserve a study room. On the right-hand side of your My UBalt home screen, you will be able to see all the tools available for you. You will then scroll down until you see the light bulb icon, which is the appointment tool. When you click that link, it'll take you to a new page where you can log in. If you have not made an appointment before, you will be asked to create an account. Once you have done so, you can log in using your credentials. Once you have logged in, you will be able to see that you can make an appointment with the Math and Statistics Center, Tutoring and Coaching, or the Writing Center. To see the different schedules, scroll over to the Schedules tab and select the schedule that you would like to participate in. Let's say I wanted to make an appointment with the Writing Center. I'd go ahead and click Writing Center. This will take me to the Writing Center schedule. From there, you can scroll down and you'll be able to see all of the appointments that are available. The white indicates an available appointment, and the shaded portion indicates unavailability or a slot that is filled. Let's say I want to make an appointment with Aaron Tucker at 12 p.m. on Tuesday. I'd go ahead and scroll over and click the appointment. Your name and email address will automatically populate into the client form. You will then be able to see all of the different information for the appointment. Some sessions will be in Zoom and some sessions will be in person. If you have the option for both, you will be able to choose which one you prefer. You will then fill out the appointment details, the course you're seeking support for, the instructor for the course, and the assignment that you're working on. You can also input the goals for the session and upload any documents that you would like your tutor to look at. In this case, let's say I'm brainstorming and I don't have any documents available, and go ahead and click No. You can also put in any topics that you find challenging or that you'd like to address with the session. When you scroll down, you will be able to see that you can attach a document. Once you have inputted all of the necessary information, you can go ahead and click Create Appointment. Once you have created the appointment, you will be able to see your existing appointment with all the details that you have inputted. If it is over Zoom, you will be able to click Join Zoom Appointment. When you exit the window, you will be able to see your appointment highlighted in yellow on the day that you have the appointment. You will also be able to see existing appointments when you click My Appointments. As you can tell, the appointment for February 14th at 12 p.m. is right there. When you click on it, it will give you a summary of your existing appointment and will show you the Zoom link in order for you to enter the session when at the appointment time. If you need to attach a file or edit an appointment, you can do so by clicking those two buttons. This also allows you to cancel an appointment when necessary. Congratulations, you have officially created an appointment at the University of Baltimore.